Hey everybody, this is Professor Eskew. I just wanted to make a quick video to, first of all, welcome you to class for this semester and just give you a little bit of background about myself. So I've been in San Diego for about 7 years. I've been teaching at Mace for about 6 years, full-time 5 years. Excuse me. Prior to that, I spent over 20 years in the financial service industry back in Columbus, Ohio. So I'm a farm boy, born and raised in Ohio. Spent, like I said, over 20 years in financial institutions. I was primarily on the commercial side. Um, Spent most of my time, started out in underwriting and worked my way up through a senior vice president level at a regional bank. And then the last 7 years of my career, actually, a group of us got together and we started our own community bank from the ground up. So that was a great experience. I got to work on getting seed money. We had to get $20 million to seed money to start the bank, and then literally started it from the ground up. So when we opened the doors, there were just the seven of us, and so it was quite an experience. I stayed there about 7 years. I was the chief credit officer, again, and executive vice president there. Uh, we're also getting ready to sell the bank, which is an awesome thing for me because I have quite a bit of stock in the corporation. So um, most of the folks back there have done a really outstanding job, and the fact that another bank wanted to merge with us is a real testament to what we accomplished in that short period of time. Um, Hobbies, I like to read a lot. I love going to the different coffee houses out here in San Diego and just grabbing one of my book and spending some time enjoying a great cup of coffee and reading and just enjoying the atmosphere of the people. I do a lot of hiking, so I've spent a lot of time on different trails, just really enjoying the beautiful atmosphere that we have and in the environment we have out here in California. It's certainly different than most other parts of the United States. What else can I tell you? Um, I think that's it. So I'm really looking forward to getting to know you folks. If you ever have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to email me. If you're on campus, you can come visit me during my office hours. I'm located in the G building in office 226. So I hope we have a great time together. Looking forward to the class, and I will be talking to you soon. Have a great day.